In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $37,950 in commission with affiliate marketing using YouTube Shorts just in 90 days, just in the last 3 months. Okay, this is my commissions, and just last month I made $16,972 in commission with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube Shorts. I will share with you my methods, my strategies, my secrets, and so much more. This is my invoice, as you can see over here. So for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube Shorts, this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Anyway, step number one, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing and YouTube Shorts, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and search and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, they are paying some commissions up to $150 for just one service. The best part is that each time this person will make transaction on Fiverr, you will keep making commissions for the next 12 months from just one person, which makes this business really profitable. Anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in the sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you need to choose good services that you should start promoting on YouTube Shorts to start making commissions, and I will share with you one of my profitable YouTube Shorts service that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr on YouTube Shorts for free, of course. So what you will do next, just go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page on Fiverr, click on the search for viral shorts. Okay, search for this service, viral shorts. So since I'm promoting my affiliate links on YouTube Shorts, I will try to focus on YouTube Short services. Okay, so what you will do next, just scroll down. So I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing those services. So what you will do, you need to choose a good sellers. Always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, people will buy this affiliate link, this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one, level 2 seller, a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service that you want to use. 7 orders in queue. This is the proof that this service is working. This seller is providing 10% discount for your first order, which is really good. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put your affiliate link here. Put this seller profile link here. click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what's left now is you need to start promoting this service on YouTube Shorts. So what we will do next, so first we will go back to this seller profile page. Let's check here. This seller has a video which is really good. So this video explaining his service to his customers, as you can see, guys. So that's really good. So what you will do, so just double click on the video and click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, I will name it, for example, viral short YouTube. Click on save. Okay, after you finish, go to Google and search for Canva like this. Search for this website. Just search for Canva, click on the first link. Let me show you. Click on the first link over here. Sign up by using your email address. It's for free and it's easy to use. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and search for YouTube Shorts. This one, click on this, click on YouTube Shorts, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload and click on upload file. Okay, and upload the video that you download from, let me show you. Upload the video that you download from Fiverr, this one about YouTube viral YouTube Shorts. Open, click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. You guys can see. Put this video here and put this one, make it like this. Click on the background, click on the background here and click on background color and choose black color. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to add your affiliate link in your YouTube channel. So I will show you guys how you can do it. Then we will come and continue with this. So go to your YouTube channel and open a YouTube channel. Click here on your YouTube profile picture and click on YouTube Studio. You will be directly in this page. Okay, you have here your dashboard. Scroll down, go to customization like this and scroll down. Keep scrolling down and you should find here links. Okay, you see this links. So here you can add your affiliate links. That's what exactly I do for my to promote my affiliate links on YouTube Shorts. So you need to put link title here. Just put I put this one, learn more here. So and I put my affiliate link here and that's it. After you put your affiliate link here, you can click on publish. Okay, and that's it. So after you do that, your YouTube, if people check your YouTube channel, they should find your affiliate link here. You guys see exactly like this. Go.com, fiverr.com, visit, this is my affiliate link. Okay, it's simple. What you will do next, you will take screenshots of this part, take screenshots of this page and go back to Canva again. Okay, so first, so let me guys show you. So how we can put, so let's go back. So how we can put your affiliate link here. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr Stay Pay Old Plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro New Plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, go to this YouTube channel and put your affiliate link here. So it's so easy and simple like this. Okay, I will click on add and I will put my affiliate link here, paste. You can see like this, and here learn more here, and that's it. I will click on publish and my affiliate links will be published on YouTube like this. Okay, it's so easy and simple. After that, take screenshot of this page, go back to Canva, to this Canva where you edit your video, click on upload and upload this screenshot like this, and click on this screenshot, put this screenshot here like this, and go back to element and search for this for this keyword row, and use this one. I'm gonna use this one. You can use any one that you like to show to people where they can find my affiliate link, the link of this service. You guys can see exactly like this. So you see, so let's check. So you see, so people who will watch this video on YouTube Shorts, they will see this. They will see that you have put in your affiliate link here. So if they check your channel, they should find your affiliate link here. Okay, so it's clear. After that, so just click on share, download this video to your laptop, and go and start uploading those YouTube Shorts on your YouTube channel and start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, so for me guys, so just to be, because to make this clear, I'm not putting my affiliate link here. I'm putting my website affiliate website link here. Okay, I created an affiliate website and I put all the services that I'm promoting inside this website, and what I do, I just put my website link here. Okay, so I can promote unlimited services. It's easy to create an affiliate website. You guys can go to YouTube, search for how to create an affiliate website. You can find unlimited videos explaining to you step by step how you can do it. If you guys want me to do it for you, just comment affiliate website and they will do a video to show you step by step how you can create an affiliate website and put any service that you like to promote or that you choose to promote in your website, and just put your affiliate website link here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And for people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address, and I will get back to you step by step and explain to you everything about this business from scratch. Okay, see you in my next video.